hey, you're asking too many questions, or hey, you're talking too much in chat, or hey, you're really spamming chat. Unless you're actually spamming chat with like one-word things, or you know what I mean. But because I remember I had someone literally apologize for spamming chat, quote unquote, and the way they were spamming chat was they were asking questions continuously, and I was like, that's not spamming chat, that's asking questions. You're new to Warframe. And they literally Keeper, you usually come up with some fun goals. Goal when I hit 6,000.